Hey guys, Greg here, and we've been hanging to get a fire pit for ages, and while we're just left Atherton, we found one that we want to give it a crack. It's called the Quokka. Here it is here, all in this bag. We haven't opened it yet. I just took it out of the box, but we're going to pull it out, have a look at it. The good thing I like about it, it's all folded metal. There's a grill, and we can put our camp oven on it, which we're trying to do tonight. But anyway, let's pull it all out and have a look. Alright, let's get the Quokka unwrapped. See what we've got in here. Might get Addison to come and give us a hand. I'll pass a few things. Find out what that is in a second. That looks like the pit itself. Gonna hang on to that, Addy. They look like it's rotisseries. How cool is that, with the Quokka engraved in it? That I know is a base. And let's pull that out. Alright, let's set that bag up there on that chair. Let's have a look here. Everything's upside down, Miss Jane. Alright, how cool is that? All stainless steel. Geez, these are nice good clips. So I'll pop that down. That's the grill. It looks like it goes on top. Righto, Eddie, let's have a look at this one. Pull that out of the bag. Hang on to that. Now. Oh, hello. And flip. Okay. So four. What was that?
Oh, that looks awesome.
That's nice and cool.
You know what I really love? I love the carry bag that it came in.
And the fact you can pick it up and actually move it, and the base comes with you.
Oh, look.
If we come down a little bit closer, Sienna, you can see it's actually, what I liked in the shop is this is all rolled. It's not welded, even holes. And then I believe this little fella, we're going to pull the white plastic off it. Drops in there, and we're told that the heat bead can sit in that. And then Addison, if you can pass me that last little black bag, just pull back out a little bit, Sienna. I believe in here, look, Donna's into it already.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look how shiny.
So this is a fire starter, so...
Make sure you peel that off.
The next second you're not supposed to. That's going to be satisfying.
No, you need to peel that off.
That looks like
Then in there, you put your heat beads, set that on there with a fire lighter on it, heat beads, and they can get cranking. So you can then, you can put it up on top of your camp oven or whatever on top. But what we're going to do now is just take that off and see how the grill fits on top. So if we go aim it back down there, Sienna, and how cool is this? That folds over. That. And like that, and then that you can set at different levels and different heights to grill on. And the best part is, how cool is this? Again, all stainless steel. Pull back a little bit, bub. All stainless steel, and then this can be easily cleaned, taken away and cleaned, or put that back in there, and the camp oven can sit on there and pull more coals
Great.
on top. You can even drop it right down, hey.
that would be.
How good's that? Look at that.
That's sturdy.
Righto.
That is sturdy. That's
I think it's time
sturdy.
now. Pull the plastic off.
Ooh,
Let's get. We've got a lamb roast tonight. We're cranking for
Who
it.
wants to pull the plastic off with
Me.
All right, let's get the plastic pulled off, guys, and we'll let you know how we go when we get it going. Cheers. go. So she's been in for just over an hour and a half now.
Beauty.
It's looking pretty good, mate.
You know what they
So it's looking pretty good. We're losing light, but that's okay. So we're going to keep checking it out. We're just all savouring a little bit, aren't we? Mouth's watering a little bit. And Jakey's discovered grass spears, haven't you, mate?
see these? They're actually arrows. They like arrows, so watch this.
We're watching, mate. We're watching.
They throw.
Yeah, there you go. The good thing about bush camping, hey, how awesome is this? Anyway, guys,
I love it.
that's going really well. Kids having showers, we're getting them through, and lamb roast. So let's see. Hopefully, got enough bit of light. If not, we'll show you plated up. Anyway, didn't get a sunset today. It's a bit of dark cloud out west, but anyway, all good. All right, guys. We'll show you when we get this all plated up. Cheers. All right, guys. So I got the lamb out.
Delicious. It's delicious.
Put it on the tray to send into the fam, and while I was cleaning the what's it called, the camp oven, they devoured into it. I didn't even get a shot to show you how good it looked.
Sorry, folks. We'll do another one.
Seriously,
Mum, just fighting over the skin.
they're fighting over the crispy skin.
She ate it all.
The quokka,
Don't.
the quokka worked an absolute treat. Absolutely loved it. Worked really well. Lambs turned out fantastic. Veggies, the potatoes, mint.
I love it.
The best part is there is not a mess in the ground. We'll pour some water over it. We're going to go out and have a little fire with it shortly as well. But we're going to put
marshmallows with biscuits and chocolates all.
Oh, righto. So we're going to pour some water over it. Once it's done, throw it in the garbage bag. We haven't left a trace of we had a fire here, so that's what we love about it. Anyway, these guys, I'm going to get into it before
Everyone's
I
famished.
lose.
We did a big walk today, so everyone's starving.
Yes, so before all the meat disappears, I'm going to go and get into it. Anyway, guys, we'll do another one, and I'll show you the result before these guys start.
You
Chewing
might,
at the bits.
because we might eat it.
Yes, you might. All right, guys, stay tuned, and we'll bring another video soon. Cheers.